Guys, so my brim here, just know say there will be no
haters vex, can me bless, what's me no stress. Boy, me nah no man problem. Me them a pray, them a wanna be. Girl a fear worry about me, me no worry about them. Say no way me up. Girl a pissy don't can't stand me. And me man enough. No borrow goods, no depend me. I feel me life and me love it. You know see a be pretty pan me. Haters can't stand.
What's up, guys?
That's why not.
What's up? Oh my god, look at my hair. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm gonna take a family to right here. So, and today, look at it. My headset all I'm going to, guys. That's right. Guys, so my brim here, just know say there will be no more hair tutorial until I feel like my hair natural out. I just want it tall. So guys, today hair tutorial will be a hairstyle. I train my hair like almost every day. So I don't know if you know it, but I try it. So I'm gonna part it. Maybe I'm gonna do the zigzag, maybe or maybe not. So I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna beard. I'm gonna part it down and I'm gonna go back here so and bubbles are gonna pan it. So yeah. So without getting any further into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on post notification bell. Oh, and guys, I also guys, I'll be starting to selling these. Start selling them, yeah. But I'll buy the bigger one. Sell the bigger one. Them they'll be selling for $300. Just hit me up on Instagram. If you're not there near me, I can make it. I can get it. Yeah, I'm gonna just deliver it soon. No? So remember, it's Vibing with Tony. $300. Hit me up on IG. Yes, if you're interested. Yeah, different colors. So remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell, guys. Giveaway will be at 230 subscribers. So we know say 500 credit for each. So guys, don't think me to start selling little things like these. I'm gonna do it. So yeah, guys, I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell. We'll see you when my hair is freshly washed. Okay, guys, I'm just done beard. See me here. Yeah. But they are cool. I've come here make an intro for somebody. So now we're gonna get in it. So remember, guys, please buy these from me. $300. The small one them are gonna be for $250 and the big one them are gonna be for $300. So like this now, these are $250. And the other one, the bigger one, are for $300. And I'm gonna have them in a different style and different color. So thank you. So now I'm gonna put this on my head because this is mine. So guys, I'm done set up with camera and come back. So guys, I'm pour about the hair now. And I won't be brushing my hair because now I can't find the brush.
Top girl. Too nice to full of man problems. So me no worry about them. I depend on me and me bank book apart. Girl no need boyfriend, but so real for you worry about fakeness. I'm not care about all who don't rate me. Don't be insecure about your man, my dear, cause any man can date me. Them no know, tell me a real top girl. Them fi know me a real top girl, real top girl, me can do it natural. Them no know, tell me a real top girl. Them fi know me a real top girl, real top girl, me can do it natural. Face pretty, me no need no filter. Real top girl a road, sharp like splinter. Me know your girl clothes, me no pose in a rental. Work for this, it no coincidental. Money longer than a line in the airport. Keep them white like my Air Force. Me a drip on, me soon need a raincoat. Creep up on them like police in a plane toss. Them no know, tell me a real top girl. Them fi know me a real top girl, real top girl, me can do it natural. Them no know, tell me a real top girl. Them fi know me a real top girl, real.
So guys, hi there. Guys, me there is exact thing when them ugly brother mess me up. Sure, but now I don't good. So Yeah. So the whole world is just garbage. So guys, right as I know, me I apply the gel. So when I'm applying the gel, I have to keep applying the gel. Me I fix up the camera so they can see me. I don't know why the camera never there stay. Alright guys, right as I have to keep applying the gel to the front of my ear because front of my ear is very short. No matter how much gel I apply, I have to keep applying gel and keep on applying it so it can get catch because my front of my hair is very short.
Knowledge. The masses are also aware.
Haters vex and bless us, me no stress. Boy, me nah no man problem. Me never pray, never wanna be. Girl, I feel worry about me, me no worry about them. Say no way me ah. Girl, I pissy don't can't stand me. And me money nah. Number of good not depend me. I feel me life and me love it. Me not see a be pretty on me. Haters can't stand me, me a one life. Me no one fuck me. Some bitch man bite just one dog. Man book stick like body pan dog. Me no rent unless me a landlord. Me a have it in a touch and a dip and grab. SHENSEEA is the support me start stacking up stock because money no can't fi buy a rabbit. Them last night I file me a stand me find pretty face and me still a say SHENSEEA.
Okay guys, that is I'm combing it out so I can get the perfect feel as I want, because if my ear lumpy I won't be able to catch the hair very. So people, I know it not look good because my mother carry the brush, but maybe once it tie down it's gonna look better than ever. I love us so
15 minutes after 11 and the constitutionally speaking is brought to you.
I watch and I chat, but them never ever know I come here keep it a secret. SHENSEEA, me not tell you see the young man bum. You still young so you must see have fun. When you see the boy take you for food. Me well want to see you. A long time me a wait and a pray you. Me body well appealing more than you want inna the court world boss. When I get it and me set it and me pum pum lucky so it a go free you. Back up now, sing me round so, sit down now, me a come now. Pick up now, oh you a want so. Do the thing like dance to the boss. Make sure you a keep it a secret. Make sure you a keep it a secret. Be every day set a river. Make it run like generator. Keep it a secret, keep it a secret. It's a secret, keep it a secret. Be every day set a river. Make it run like generator. Tell me where feeling up. Color well high, car off the pink up. Pussy fat inna me shorts, everything a print up. And no tight, but it tight so me a fi print up. And it pretty than a paper light, why a blink up? Come inna the room, AC beat you. Start tell a play, put it on the beat. Make sure say you not diabetes. And you know say that's up me height a go sweet. Back up now, sing me round so, sit down now, me a come now. Pick up now, oh you a want so. Do the thing like man a search for me like him a boom boom satellite. Show him here say me come to see you the other night.
right here, so now me a comb it in, I have to comb it in with the comb. Now you saw me I try to pull it up, but my ear get tangled with it. So me I pull it out and I have to catch it over. Then when me catch it over, me go add another sponge so you guys would see. So remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell. Guys, I just know me I add another batch of gel so me can catch it over. Come I want to catch neatly. Come my jam done, even though I never really like the jam. Yeah, so I catch it over and I gotta tie it down now. And guys, bear in mind, it was from yesterday I did this video. I start editing yesterday even because I go up on the road with my mother and we start editing early in the morning. I'm never get to finish editing, so I'm gonna try to get to finish editing now.
And the numbers in the parish differ. I think it's something to put there for the subject.
So guys, I'm gonna do some things for my face now. I'm going to take out my eyeshadow and my big eyeshadow brush because I couldn't get the eyeshadow brush because these were bought separately and it is red. The color is red, so you guys will see it on the thumbnail or in the video. Yes, the video and the thumbnail. Yes, that's how I do my eyeshadow.
Your respectful opinion may cause you more mental health issues. Definitely. It's being rehabilitated. Yes. What we also want to add is our thanks to the Department of Correction, who that department has been very helpful to us in giving us the names, the contacts of family, and
So okay guys, I'm pulling out the hair right now.
DSC or DCS.
People, people, people.
I'm not saying it's a whole
No worry in the head.
but it's a fund.
No worry in the head. Let me give me a minute. Sorry about that, guys. Remember that more while in the truck. Okay, now I'm going to do my edges.
And we're very pleased with the outcome.
Okay, guys. Me I do the edges now. I'm gonna use the e-cut. I'm using the jam, but the jam done. I'm gonna really use the jam again because when the jam now, all the gel in place. And now I'm going to finish the edge. So that's the COVID. Okay guys, right here now I'm adding the bubbles. I have to come out here so I can add the bubbles in. And guys, don't mind the fan in the background because I'm in the house. And guys, these bubbles are the big bubbles, so I never could catch it, so I'm just using elastic. And they have the light purple and the bright purple. So those are the two I use. So guys, as I said before, don't mind the noise in the background. So guys, this is the other part now. Yes, I'm looking for the bubbles so I can catch it. Very much, thank you. There it is. I got the bright purple that I said I use. Yes guys, so guys, remember to go over to Lifestyle of Celebrities and the TONIANN lyrics and leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. My out. Hey guys, I'm finished. I'm feeling myself, you know. What about bubbles I could clear stuff? Okay, I'm feeling myself, you know. I'm gonna show you with the headband and without headband. So please support my little business. $250 Jamaican dollars and $300 for the bigger ones. Any style I want. And they will be in Instagram, so do them things then DM me. So remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and post notification bell. I'm out. So guys, this is it without the headband, and this is it with the headband, and with the headband And guys, this is post notification shout. Remember to do the do.